Welcome, fellow explorers, to the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Today we embark on a journey to unravel the wonders of OpenAI's latest marvels, O3 and O3 Mini. These aren't just upgrades, they are quantum leaps in AI, poised to redefine our technological interaction and possibilities. Imagine a world where complex tasks are simplified, creativity is amplified, and solutions emerge at lightning speed. This is the promise of OpenAI's O3 and O3 Mini. Our exploration will delve into the core of these models, unraveling their capabilities and impact. We'll journey through their groundbreaking features, compare their strengths, and witness their transformative potential across industries. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or simply curious about the future, join me as we unlock the mysteries of OpenAI's O3 and O3 Mini. Section 2, OpenAI O3, the powerhouse of AI. At the heart of this AI revolution lies OpenAI O3, a technological marvel designed for unparalleled performance and scalability. Picture a vast neural network, trained on an unprecedented scale of data, capable of processing information with astonishing speed and accuracy. This is O3, the powerhouse of AI. From deciphering intricate algorithms to translating languages with human-like fluency, O3 excels in tasks that demand precision and complexity. Its ability to process and analyze massive datasets makes it the go-to solution for industries like finance, healthcare, and scientific research. O3 is not just an AI model, it's a digital Einstein, capable of unlocking insights and solutions previously hidden within the sea of data. Section 3, OpenAI O3, Mini Compact Innovation, Mighty Impact. While O3 reigns supreme in terms of raw power, OpenAI understands the need for accessibility and efficiency. Enter O3 Mini, a compact yet powerful iteration designed to bring the magic of AI to a wider audience. Imagine the capabilities of O3 distilled into a streamlined model, optimized for speed and efficiency. This is O3 Mini, the perfect companion for developers, startups, and anyone seeking to integrate AI into resource-constrained environments. From powering smart assistants on your mobile devices to enabling real-time data analysis in remote locations, O3 Mini makes AI innovation accessible to all. Section 4, Benchmarking Brilliance, Setting New Standards in AI. The true measure of any technological advancement lies in its performance, and in the world of AI, benchmarks are the ultimate test. OpenAI's O3 and O3 Mini don't just meet these benchmarks, they shatter them, setting new standards for speed, accuracy, and efficiency. In tasks ranging from natural language processing to image recognition, O3 consistently outperforms its predecessors, achieving groundbreaking results with remarkable speed. O3 Mini, while compact, demonstrates comparable prowess, proving that size doesn't limit its ability to deliver exceptional performance. These benchmarks are a testament to OpenAI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. Section 5, A Glimpse Under the Hood. Features that define O3 and O3 Mini. So what makes O3 and O3 Mini so extraordinary? The answer lies in their unique features, meticulously designed to elevate AI to unprecedented heights. Imagine an AI that adapts to your needs, scales its performance effortlessly, and understands the nuances of human language. That's the power of dynamic scaling and contextual awareness embedded within O3 and O3 Mini. These features allow the models to seamlessly adjust to the complexity of the task at hand, ensuring optimal performance and accuracy. Add to that their multi-language proficiency, and you have AI models capable of breaking down language barriers and connecting the world like never before. Section 6, Reshaping Reality O3 and O3 Mini in Action. The impact of OpenAI's O3 and O3 Mini extends far beyond the realm of technology. It's reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where personalized education is a reality, healthcare is more accessible and efficient, and creative boundaries are shattered. This is the transformative power of O3 and O3 Mini in action. In healthcare, they're assisting doctors with diagnoses, accelerating drug discovery, and enabling personalized treatment plans. In education, they're personalizing learning experiences, providing real-time feedback to students, and empowering educators with AI-powered tools. The possibilities are limitless, and the future is brimming with potential. Section 7, Integrating Intelligence, Bringing O3 and O3 Mini into your world. The power of AI lies not just in its creation, but in its integration into our daily lives. OpenAI understands this, and they've made it remarkably simple to harness the capabilities of O3 and O3 Mini. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or simply an AI enthusiast, there's a pathway for you to leverage these models. OpenAI provides comprehensive documentation, intuitive APIs, and a thriving community to support your AI journey. Start by identifying specific tasks or challenges within your domain that can benefit from AI. Then, explore OpenAI's resources and experiment with O3 Mini to get a feel for its capabilities. Remember, the key is to start small, iterate, and allow the AI to learn and adapt to your needs. Section 8. On the horizon, the future of OpenAI and artificial intelligence. The journey of AI is just beginning, and OpenAI is at the forefront of this exciting frontier. As we venture further into the digital age, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations from OpenAI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Imagine AI models with enhanced multimodal capabilities, seamlessly integrating text, images, audio, and even sensory data. Picture even smaller models, powerful enough to be embedded in everyday objects, creating a truly interconnected world. OpenAI's commitment to ethical AI development ensures that these advancements will be responsible, transparent, and beneficial to humanity. Section 9. Embrace the AI revolution, a call to explore and innovate. As we conclude our exploration of OpenAI's O3 and O3 Mini, one thing is clear: the future of AI is bright, and it's brimming with possibilities. This is not just a technological revolution, it's an opportunity to redefine our world, solve complex challenges, and unlock unimaginable potential. I urge you to embrace this AI revolution, explore the capabilities of O3 and O3 Mini, experiment, innovate, and discover how these models can empower you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. The future is in our hands, and with AI as our ally, the possibilities are limitless. Let's venture forth and shape a brighter tomorrow, powered by the transformative power of artificial intelligence.